Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to explain and practically demonstrate about protected access modifier in Java. So let's get started. So in the previous sessions, I covered three access modifiers already. The first one, public access modifier. After that, I covered private access modifier. And then I covered default access modifier. Now, the fourth one and the last one under the access modifiers category, that is protected access modifier. So what exactly is this protected access modifier? In order for you to understand this protected access modifier, you need to compare this protected with default access modifier. Okay, so for what are the different access modifiers I covered? First one is public. Then second one is private. Third one is default. Okay. So in the previous sessions, I already covered these three access modifiers. If you have the knowledge of these three access modifiers, automatically and very easily you can understand this protected access modifier that I'm going to cover in this session. So public means access to all or everyone. That means can be accessed anywhere within the class, outside the class, within the package, outside the package, within the project, outside the project. Public can be public specified, access modified, specified Java items like classes, global variables, constructors, methods, etc. can be accessed anywhere. Coming to private, only we can access them inside the class, inside the class in which we have created them. Okay. So outside the class, we cannot access. That means, okay, only within the class we can access means outside the class we cannot access. Now coming to the third one, that is default access modifier. So here, public access modifier will use a keyword known as public keyword, public keyword, right? And private access modifier will use a keyword known as part of private access modifier will use a keyword known as private keyword. But default access modifier doesn't have any keyword. First of all, it doesn't have any keyword. If you don't specify this public and private, automatically it will become default, which I covered in the last session, guys. Now, if you're not specifying any access modifier before the Java items like classes, global variables, methods, and constructors, what will happen? Within the package, within the package, within package, let me write down here properly, within package. So it needs more space here. Let me drag it here. Within package, and second one is a outside package. Okay, outside package. Within package, outside package. If you are using the default access access modifier where it doesn't have any keyword, if you don't specify public, private, protected kind of access modifier keywords, automatically it will be treated as default access modifier. So if this default access modifier is specified before the Java items like classes, constructors, global variables, and methods, what will happen, guys? Within the package, these Java items will act like public, guys. Okay, you already know about public, right? Inside the package, public. Okay, they'll act like public by default. Whereas outside the package, they will act like private. That means outside the package, you cannot access all these Java items. Only the scope till where we can access all these Java items is within the package only. But outside the package, you cannot access. That's what exactly is default access modifier, which I covered in the previous session. Now comes protected access modifier. The last access modifier in Java is a protected access modifier. So this protected access modifier is similar to the default access modifier, but it has a keyword, guys. Okay, here we have protected keyword though. Protected, protected keyword will be there. Okay, unlike default access modifier, one of the difference between default and protected is here default doesn't have any keyword, but protected has a keyword. But here protected will act similar to the default access modifier, that is within package. Okay, or inside package. Otherwise, I can write inside package or within package. Inside package, it will act like similar to this one, default, public. Outside package, outside package, it will act like private. But there should be some difference, right? Here keyword is there, that is one difference. Your default doesn't have a keyword, but protected has a keyword. There is one difference between default and protected. Second difference here is, yes, almost protected access modifier is similar to the default access modifier, except that within the package or inside the package, okay, inside the package it is public, outside the package is private, except for child classes. This is what is the difference here. Whether it is child class or non-child class outside the package, completely restricted. You cannot access them because it is private outside the package, completely private. Even child classes also cannot access such kind of Java items which are specified with this default access modifier. But coming to the protected, there is an exemption. It's private outside the package. That's similar to the default. But except for the child classes, this is what is the difference. Okay, this is the main thing that you need to focus on. Protected access modifier is similar to the default access modifier, where first difference is it has a keyword. Second difference is private except for child classes. Child classes outside the package can access the Java items which are specified with the protected access modifier. Now let me demonstrate this practically, guys. I am going to compare this default and protected, okay, during this process. Okay, we'll see that. For now, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here I'm going to, so let it be default for now. Let it be default for now. You see this particular class is not specified with the any access modifier. That is, it's not public, it's not private, it's not protected. Then automatically it is default. Here global variables also not specified with any access modifier, so default. Constructor not specified with any particular access modifier, so default. Methods, these two methods not specified with any access modifier, so again default only, right? Default means inside the package, it will act like public. So you see here, there is a demo class which is there inside the same package where car.java is available. Right? Here car.java is there, here demo is there. Now car and demo are part of the same package. Now from the demo class, if I want to access this class, global variables, constructor, methods, which are specified with the default access modifier, can we access? Yes, we can definitely access, because this particular class and this particular class belong to the same package, that is default package you can see here. So default access modifier Java items, okay, default access modifier here within the package or inside the package is acting like public. That's why you're able to access the class, constructor, global variables and methods. But it's fine inside the package, fine, but outside the package, here you see we have sample.java. The sample.java belong to a different package. Sample.java belong to a different package and car class belong to a different package. In that kind of situation, if you want to access this default access modifier specified classes, global variables, constructor and methods, you are going to get error. Okay, you are going to get error. So all these are giving the errors, guys. You see at a high level, if the errors are there, low level errors will be hidden. Okay, the moment I make this class as public, you will see that remaining errors will appear, right? Again, if I remove public, the errors will be shifted to the main level. Okay, after you correct these errors will be displayed. So outside the package, neither you can access a class, neither you can access a constructor which is specified with default access modifier, neither you can access this methods and global variables outside the package. This is what exactly the default is. Even though you create a class which is a child class of this particular class outside the package with the default access modifier. For example, here I'm going to create a new class. Okay, class C. I'm just giving some random name here. Finish. And this class C is in a different package. Class C is in a different package, that is sample pack, whereas car is in a different package known as default pack. Now, if I make this class C extends car class, you see what is happening? I'm trying to make this car class a parent of this class C, but you see I'm not able to access this car class because it is default access modifier, right? I cannot access. But we'll give a kind of leisure kind of thing for this by specifying the public access modifier. Now hold the mouse on this and ask you to import, guys. outside the package you can import. Okay, if this particular class for a while I'm converting this class as public because default access modifier specified class cannot be accessed outside the package, whether it is a child class or whatever it is, you cannot access. So you are not able to access the default access modifier specified classes outside the package. You see, the moment I remove this public, error is coming. Okay, error is coming. Even I import also, it will not work. For example, if I try to import this car class, it will not work. Import dot car. Here import itself is giving the error. That means at any cost, we cannot access the classes which are specified with default access modifier outside the package. Whether it is a normal class or whether it is a child class, doesn't matter. Here class is the child class of the car class, still you are not able to access this class, default specified class. If I put public, error is gone. Import statement error is gone. Class error is gone. Now guys, I would like to write a method, public void sample or method is I am going to write here. Hold the mouse on this. Okay. Excuse me. Here I'm going to create a method, guys. That is method is. Here you see, it's saying that implicit super constructor is not visible because it is also default access modifier, right? This is also default access modifier. That is the reason it's giving you an error. What I have to do? For a while, I need to make this also public. Then error will be gone. You see, when the class is default, you are not able to access the class. When another error is coming here, construct, because of the constructor also default, you are not able to extend this car class. That's the problem. Okay. So once I made this constructor also as public, you see error is gone. Now I'm going to create a method. Inside this method, I'm going to write company. You see inheritance, right? Company should be inherited into the child class. Company is equal to Honda. Okay. Company is equal to Honda. Wheels is equal to 4. I don't have to create an object reference here, guys. I don't have to create an object here in this kind of case because here we are inheriting. The class is inheriting the properties from the parent class car. That's why we are directly accessing them like this. And to call the methods also directly start car. I don't have to create an object in this case. As part of inheritance, you already know, right? The child class will automatically inherit the properties of the parent class. Here variable, global variables and methods will be accessed by the child class automatically. But here the problem is coming, you see, the problem is coming with a default access modifier, whether it is a child class also, they are still private. Again, if you remove this public, class itself is giving the error. Here also, if you remove public, constructor, this part also error, this part also error, these variables are error, everywhere error. That means whether it is a, whether the class outside the, this particular package, whether it is a normal class or whether it is a child class of this car class or parent class where all the Java items are available. The default access modifier classes, global variables, constructor and methods cannot be accessed here. That's what is the thing. But guys, what if I provide protected access modifier before them? What if I provide protected access modifier? So before what I can provide the protected access modifier? Can I provide the protected access modifier before the class? So coming to the protected access modifier, let me write down here like this. Protected access modifier cannot be specified before the class. Okay, if you try to specify the protected access modifier before a class, protected access modifier will give, okay, will give error, guys. Okay, illegal modifier error. It'll give error like illegal modifier on specifying before a class. That is, it's not compatible with the class. Like private, you cannot specify. Private access modifier, you cannot specify before a class, right? Similarly, protected access modifier also, you cannot specify before a class. So here if I write protected, okay, error is coming, illegal modifier error. So there is no way of providing protected for the classes. So I'll make it public, guys. I'll make it public, okay? Because I cannot use default. If I use default, I cannot access the class outside the package, right? So I have to make it public. Public is only the way in this example. Okay, I cannot specify protected access modifier before the classes. This is another difference, right? This is another difference. That is, default access modifier can be specified before the class, but protected cannot be specified before the class. That is the third difference. Total, there are three differences so far. Default access modifier doesn't have a keyword. Protected has a keyword. Okay. Default within the package public, outside the package private. But protected within the package or inside the package public, outside the package private, except for child classes. This is the difference. Third difference here is we can specify the default access modifier before the class, but we cannot specify protected access modifier before the class because it will result in illegal modifier error. So class is ruled out. So we can specify before the constructor, global variables, okay, global variables and methods. Okay, with these items we can specify, but with classes we cannot specify the protected access modifier. So here, since we cannot specify protected before a class, I'm just making it public for a while. And here constructor protected and start car protected. These methods protected, global variables protected, protected. You see, when I specify protected access modifier before the global variables, constructor, methods, you see errors are not there. Only if that particular class is a child class of this car class where we have the Java item specified with this protected access modifier. Class is public anyhow. Protected is not compatible with class. So here we are extending the public class. You can ignore that. Okay, it's not compatible. But coming to the constructor, I can specify protected before the constructor. So you see, when I specify the protected before the constructor in the normal class outside the package, in the normal class, not a child class, normal class outside the package, you see, the constructor calling statement is giving you an error. That means it's not accessible. This protected constructor is not accessible. It's not accessible outside the package if that particular class is not the child class. But what if the particular class is a child class? You see, I'm not getting any error. Okay. If this constructor is not accessible, I'll get an error here. But I'm not getting that. So constructor is also okay. For as part of inheritance, as part of the child classes, protected means public only. Outside the package, for the child classes, protected means public only. Normal class is only private. And coming to the global variables, they are also mentioned as protected. You see, inside the child class, I'm able to access directly, right? I am able to inherit this global variables. I'm able to access indirectly. The next one, methods. I'm able to call these methods. Am I getting any errors while accessing these methods? I don't have to create an object because this is a child class, right? That you have to remember. But if it is a normal class, you see, constructor is giving you the error for protected. Global variables are giving the error for protected. Methods are giving the error for protected. That's what is the difference between the default and protected. Protected is public for child classes. Outside the package also for child classes, protected is public. But default is private for everything. Whether it is normal class or child class doesn't matter for default. So these are the things about protected access modifier. When you want the class variables, when you want the Java items to be accessible outside the package for the child classes, okay, if there are some classes outside the package and if they are child classes, in that child classes, if you want to allow that particular child class to access, okay, the properties, that is Java items of a different class outside the package, then you have to make them protected. Okay, only for child classes, it is public outside the package. Hope guys you understood the difference between default and protected in this session. So this is very important. So a lot of interviewers, okay, in a lot of interviews, they'll ask you the difference between default and protected because a lot of people get confused here. Okay, so you can give these three differences I mentioned or explained in this session, guys. No keyword, keyword. Within package public, outside package completely private, normal class and child classes completely private, protected within package or inside package public, outside package private, but except for child classes. Okay, for child class it is still public. Okay, and you cannot specify protected access modifier before a class because it will result in illegal modifier error. But default can be specified before the class also. Okay, those are the differences between default and protected. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.